So this morning, for the next 45 minutes, we're going to unpack some secrets that are fundamental to success in business. Choose the right people and deselect the wrong ones. I'm telling you that the second half is just as important as the first half because we're not all perfect. We're not all perfect and always able to select the right people. Some people are really good at interviewing, and they'll game you. And you'll hire them, and you'll find out this was not a good hire. This is not the right person. So then you have to have the temerity to let them go. Some of the clients that I work with, that's the best way for them to achieve greater success in their business is to replace the deadwood. She deselected regularly. Who is this? That shark. You're saying, it's that shark. Right, it's Barbara Corcoran. Right, Barbara Corcoran. She's on Shark Tank regularly. I think she's been on it at least 6 seasons. Barbara used to own a commercial real estate company in New York City. What she would do is each year she would evaluate her staff, and the bottom percentage of her staff, they were shown the door. Because she knew that the people that complained, that whined, that spread a poisonous attitude around the office, they were costing her more than their salary, much more. And so she relentlessly got rid of the wrong people. And I know that sounds harsh and it sounds tough, because I see small business people get connected emotionally with their employees, and it becomes so difficult to let them go. I've seen owners loan money to their employees. In all the years I worked at Oracle, I never saw any of my coworkers ask Larry Ellison for a loan. They may have asked him for investment into their startup enterprises, but they never asked him for a loan. But in small businesses, you see employees asking the owners for a loan, asking them for time off, asking them for a flexible schedule that was never part of the agreement. You get into these emotionally connected relationships with your staff, and you have a hard time doing what Barbara did. Barbara took her company to the point where the realty group NRT was interested in buying it. They had purchased Century 21, so this is a large company. They offered her $22 million. She said, no, I want 66. She tripled their offer. Guess who won? The shark.